Welcome to Sun YouTube Creation. Let's start. My parents and my duties. A human child is born in the most helpless condition. At that condition, it cannot save itself from peril or feed itself. It is the parents who feed us, clothe us, shelter us, and save us from any dangers. They also spend on our education and our necessities. Our parents spend many sleepless nights when we fall sick. They try to do everything possible for ensuring comfort and safety for us. They love us unconditionally and make supreme sacrifices for making us happy. So our parents are most near and dear to us. Hence, we also have a lot of duties towards our parents. Our first and foremost duty is to obey them. We should treat them with honor and love them dearly. We should take care of them when they fall sick. When our parents become old, they need us most. So it is our duty to serve them devotedly and arrange for every comfort for them. We should pass time with them, listen attentively to what they say, and remove boredom from their life.